Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr. New and we are going to start with a new video lecture series on the subject Pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is a subject that deals with the natural drugs. In this video lecture, we'll be covering what the term pharmacognosy is, what is crude drug, and the definition of pharmacognosy. So let's get started. The term pharmacognosy has been derived from two Greek words, that is pharmakon and the second one is dignosco. Here pharmakon means drug and dignosco means to acquire the knowledge. And when we combine both the meanings together, we get the meaning of the term pharmacognosy. That is to acquire knowledge of drug. Here the drug is mainly a crude drug. So crude drug or crude drugs are those drugs that have been derived naturally or obtained from the natural resources. And the resources are like plant, animal, mineral or marine resources. Okay, let's define it once again. The term pharmacognosy has been derived from two Greek words, that is pharmakon and gignosco. Pharmakon means drug and gignosco means to acquire knowledge. And when we combine both these meanings together, we get the meaning of the term pharmacognosy, that is to acquire knowledge of drug. Here the drug is mainly a crude drug, and crude drugs are those drugs that have been derived from natural resources. And which are natural resources? Natural resources like plant, animal, mineral or marine resources. Now let's define the pharmacognosy in a very simplified and lucid manner. Pharmacognosy is the systematic and scientific study of mainly structural, physical, chemical and biological characteristics of crude drugs. So what it is? It is systematic and scientific study of structural, physical, chemical and biological characteristics of crude drugs. And it also involves the study of its history, cultivation, collection and preparation drug for the market. It also involves the study of history of the crude drug, cultivation of the crude drug, collection and its preparation of the drug for the market purpose. So this is the definition of our very interesting subject, that is pharmacognosy. Hope you understood what that we have discussed in this video lecture. For more updates, do subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming video lectures. Thank you. Jai Hind.